Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I have something very special for you all. This is a limited edition sneaker. Only 120 pieces made in the Philippines, and it was made to commemorate something special. So for this episode, sit back, relax, and let's unbox this bad boy. Let's hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, and then click the links down below for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck. Let's get right into the unboxing. This is actually a special edition limited Reebok Club C Revenge sneaker. Now, to those who don't know what the Club C Revenge sneaker is, it is an 80s inspired sneaker. It uses full grain leather for the upper, has an amazing midsole for cushioning, and extra durable outsole for traction as well as durability. Now, as you can see, it comes in this typical Reebok box, and if you pop it open, bam, this is what the shoe looks like. There were only 120 pairs made of this special shoe, and it was exclusively made for the 1995 batch of LaSalle Greenells. They're actually having their homecoming, and this is the special sneaker that was made available exclusive to people or to the attendees of that particular event. Apart from the sneaker, it also came with the special edition CLYDE premium shoe cleaning kit, which will allow for you to keep your white sneaker, well, spotless, because let's face it, white sneakers are a magnet for dirt, and it's always awesome to have shoe cleaning kits at home to make sure they are pristine. Apart from the shoe cleaner and the shoe, it also came with a 750 peso discount for your next purchase at Soul Academy, because it is a collaboration between LaSalle Greenells Batch 95 together with Reebok and Soul Academy, well, obviously as well as CLYDE. Now let's go over the sneaker. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this is the Club C Revenge silhouette, which I think is the perfect choice, because if they went with the Club C, that was, while it is classic, it is a very, very old silhouette. What I love about the Club C Revenge is that it's a little bit more modern, with the lines being a little bit more sharper, as well as that curved logo along the medial and the lateral side of the sneaker. So I think the guys who picked the shoe made an excellent choice with the Club C Revenge. Apart from that, you also have elements of LaSalle on the medial side of the sneaker. You have written over here, "Live Jesus in our hearts forever," LSGH, you have the Archer, and more visual elements from the school. You also have the batch number here at the back that says 1995, and on the left pair of the shoe, you can actually put your initials if you are part of the batch or if you are part of the group that's special 120 people who will get to own this shoe. You get to put your initials or your name in the sneaker itself. If you've been following this channel for a while now, you know that one of my favorite silhouettes from Reebok is the Club C and the Club C Revenge, and I'm very thrilled and happy to see that the guys from the LaSalle Greenells Batch 95 pick this particular silhouette. Guys, you could have made a better choice. This is a sneaker that you can rock every day. This is a shoe that won't date you. And most importantly, it's a versatile sneaker that you can wear with any outfit. And most importantly, it should also give you the comfort that you need, especially now that we're getting a little bit older. Again, to everybody from LaSalle Greenells Batch 95, you could have made the better choice. I hope you all enjoy your homecoming on February the 1st. Shout out to Reebok, shout out to CLYDE, shout out to Soul Academy for working with them to make this amazing limited edition 120 pieces only LaSalle Greenells Batch 95 Reebok Club C Revenge. And as usual, I hope you guys enjoyed this very short video, and I pray that you all have an amazing weekend up ahead. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom. PS, shout out kay John Yanez, bro, isa kang alamat.